Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pie tea shells. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1 cup of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 large egg. Don't forget a pinch of salt and about 1 cup of water. For equipment, a pie tea mold and a deep pot for frying are essential. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's mix the batter. In a bowl, combine the rice flour, cornstarch, and salt. Whisk them well. Then, add the egg and gradually pour in the water, mixing until you achieve a smooth, thin consistency, similar to crepe batter. Ensure there are no lumps. Letting the batter rest for about 30 minutes helps the flours fully hydrate, leading to crispier shells. Frying is the fun part. Heat your oil to about 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Submerge your pie tea mold in the hot oil for a minute to heat it up. Then, dip the hot mold into the batter, ensuring it coats only about 3/4 of the mold. Immediately transfer it back into the hot oil. Fry until the shell is golden brown and easily slides off the mold. Repeat for more delicious shells. Once your pie tea shells are cooled, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain their crispness. If they lose some crunch, a quick 5-minute reheat in a 300-degree Fahrenheit oven will bring them back to life. These versatile shells are perfect for filling with savory ingredients like shredded turnip, shrimp, and a spicy chili sauce. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.